Hello everyone, my name is Jane, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it is my pleasure to walk you through this video on how to file a zero income tax return using Revenue Online. You can pause or replay this video at any time to review the information provided. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easy to understand to enable accurate and on-time tax filings. This presentation is intended to provide general information concerning Colorado tax topics in simple and straightforward language. Although we have done our best to provide accurate and complete tax information, this information is not binding on the Colorado Department of Revenue, nor does it replace, alter, or supersede Colorado law and regulations. We recommend consulting with a tax professional for your specific tax situation. This video is intended to aid individuals who do not have any state or federal taxable income. In order to file your Colorado income tax return, you will need to navigate to Tax.Colorado.gov/Revenue Online. You can also access Revenue Online from the department's main website, Tax.Colorado.gov. From Tax.Colorado.gov, select Online Services in the top blue menu bar, and then scroll down to select Visit ROL in the Revenue Online menu panel. You do not need a Revenue Online account in order to file a Colorado income tax return online. However, you must be an established Colorado taxpayer, meaning that you have filed an income tax return in the state of Colorado in a previous year, or you must have a valid Colorado driver's license or ID. To begin, scroll down to the menu panel titled File a Return or PTC Form and select File an Individual Income Tax Return. On the next page, select the year that you would like to file. For our example, we'll select 2024 Individual Income Tax. The Instructions page provides the purpose, eligibility, and information needed to continue. Please review this information, and when you are ready to proceed, select Next. On the Taxpayer Information page, select your residency status, and then enter all information in fields noted with an asterisk. This includes your Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, Driver's License Number, Driver's License State, and the date issued for your driver's license. Next, enter your name, making sure to enter your legal name, and then verify that this is your legal name by selecting the checkbox next to This is my legal name. Continue to enter your date of birth and any additional information that may apply. If you are filing a joint return, select the checkbox next to Filing Joint, and then enter your spouse's information. Scroll down to the Mailing Address section and enter your correct mailing address. Please note that this should be the address where you receive mail, which may not be the address where you reside. When you have entered your correct mailing address, select the checkbox next to This is my correct mailing address. Please double-check your information for accuracy, as errors can result in processing delays. When you are ready to proceed, select Next. On the next page, select the appropriate answer to the question, do you have W-2s and/or 1099s to add? If you have no income to report, select No, and then select Next to continue. On the next page, select the appropriate answer to the question, were you the recipient of a Colorado K-1, DR0106K from a partnership this year. If you did not receive a Colorado K-1, select No, and then select Next to continue. The next page is titled Form 104 Income. If you have zero federal taxable income, select the checkbox to verify that your federal taxable income is $0. Review all fields for accuracy and enter any information necessary. Then select Next to proceed. On the Additional Schedules page, please select Yes next to any additional schedules that you would like to complete. If you have no additional schedules, please make sure that No is selected for each schedule and then select Next to continue. The next page will display the Colorado tax as calculated based on the information you have entered. In our example, we have no tax since there was no income reported. Review this for accuracy and then select Next. If you had any credits claimed in prior years that are subject to recapture under Colorado law, enter that information on the Recapture and Subtotal of Tax screen. After reviewing this information for accuracy, select Next to continue. If you made any payments through prior year estimated tax carryforward, estimated tax payments, extension payments, or any other prepayments, enter that information on the page titled Net Colorado Tax and Prepayments. Review your information for accuracy and select Next to continue. The next page will display any refundable credits as calculated by the system based on the information you have entered on your return. Review this information for accuracy and select Next to continue. Enter your federal adjusted gross income on the next page. If your federal adjusted gross income is $0, as in our example, you must check the box next to the statement. Check this box to verify federal adjusted gross income is $0. Enter any additional information that applies. If there is a Tabor state sales tax refund for the year of your return, as in our example, you must check the box next to the statement, I am claiming the state sales tax refund in order to claim the refund. The system will calculate your refund or tax due based on the information provided in your return, and that information will be displayed on the appropriate lines. Review your information for accuracy and select Next to continue. If you have any attachments to submit, you may upload and attach them on the next screen. If you have no attachments, check the box stating, I have no attachments or will mail them in with a DR1778. If you have attachments, once you have finished uploading and attaching them, check the box stating, I have completed uploading my attachments. When you are ready to proceed, select Next. On the page titled Form 104 Refund, select your preferred delivery method. Please be advised that refunds may be sent by mail for security purposes, even if you have selected electronic delivery. If you would like electronic delivery, once you make that selection, you will be able to enter your bank account information. If you would like your refund to be sent in the mail, it will be mailed to the mailing address you included when you began this return. Once you have made your choice, select Next to continue. On the Contributions page, you may request a donation to a qualified charity or charities from your tax refund. If you do not wish to make a voluntary contribution, select the box at the bottom of the screen next to the statement, "I do not wish to make a voluntary contribution." When you are ready to proceed, select Next. The next page reviews the information you provided. Please verify that your name and mailing address are correct, and review all information for accuracy. When you arrive at the bottom of the page, select whether you are a paid preparer or a third-party designee, or if you are filing for yourself. Once you are certain that all information is true, correct, and complete, given all known information, select Submit at the bottom of the page. A pop-up confirmation box will appear asking you to enter your email address. Please be sure to use a current email address and verify that your email address is entered correctly by typing it a second time on the line titled Confirm Email. You will receive an email notification that your return was filed. The confirmation page contains a filing ID associated with your return. Please keep a copy of this filing ID by printing the screen, taking a screenshot of this screen, or by writing down the filing ID for your records. Select Printable View to print or save a PDF of the return you just filed. Please do not mail a printed copy to the Department of Revenue, as sending in a duplicate return can cause processing delays and errors. Once you have saved or printed a copy of your return for your records, you can exit Revenue Online. Your zero income tax return has now been filed. We have a wide variety of resources and tools available for you if you have questions or need assistance. We have our websites, Tax.Colorado.gov and Colorado.gov/revenue online. You can call our Taxpayer helpline at 303-238-7378. You can visit one of our local offices, which are located in Colorado Springs, Denver Metro, Fort Collins, Grand Junction, and Pueblo. We also have the department's guidance publications and our taxpayer email address, which is DOR_taxpayerservice@state.co.us. My name is Jane, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video. The Colorado Department of Revenue is always here to help you be voluntarily tax compliant through education, assistance, and customer service.